This was announced towards the end of the day yesterday by the PBOC, so financial institutions will need to increase their holdings of foreign exchange reserves from 5% to 7%, so a 2% increase. By the way, from June the 15th. And the idea from policymakers, of course, is that you reduce the amount of dollars and other currencies that are onshore here. That pressures the yuan, and it is real action then by policymakers to take a swipe at a currency that, of course, has surged versus the dollar to a 3-year high.
Tom, the issue is this measure going to actually work?
Well, that is the key question, of course. Commerzbank came out and said it is largely symbolic. They still see the trajectory of the yuan upwards from here, a stronger yuan, because, and many point to this, the yield differential is very substantial in the markets here, so that's pulling in those foreign inflows. The economic recovery is on a pretty solid footing as well. So those factors still give the yuan support, according to many. You have the likes of Westbank and Scotiabank actually looking at 6.2 towards the end of the year. Standard Chartered saying, though, this is possibly just one measure, and they may follow through with additional measures to try and soften the yuan going forward. But it has followed, of course, a lot of jawboning from policymakers. Just over the weekend, you had an ex-PBOC official and a state media commentary both trying to push the yuan down with a bit of verbal or rhetorical jawboning. So it follows those measures. This is a concrete action by the PBOC. They hope it's going to lead to a bit of weakness, or at least, as they said in a previous statement, not bets on one-way moves on this currency. Offshore, you saw a bit of weakness on the back of this move.